friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see 10 sentences about my school. So you can replace school by Universität. Universität meaning university. So we'll see 10 sentences. We'll see their pronunciation and their meanings. So we'll start. Now for my school, it is called as meine Schule. Meine Schule. Schule is school. Schule. Schule is school. And minor, it changes with the gender of the noun. So we'll see it there are two videos, separate videos called definite as well as indefinite articles on my channel. You can go through it. So we'll begin. Now first sentences. Meine Schule heißt Vidya Mandir. Meaning my school is called as Vidya Mandir. So heist is called as. So this is a way to introducing something in German. So you can say Ich heiße and your name. So this is a way you can say of introducing. So meine Schule heißt Vidya Mandir. My school is Vidya Mandir. Ich finde meine Schule sehr interessant. The next sentence is, so it means I find my school very interesting. Now Schule, you know, it's school. Finde is a verb and it means to find something. It's a finde. So this is like similar to English. And sehr interessant, meaning very interesting. Interessant is interesting. Again, similar to English. And sehr is very. So it is Ich finde meine Schule sehr interessant. Then the third sentence is Ich lerne 8 Fächer, meaning I learn 8 subjects. Fächer is subjects and 8 is 8. Lerne is again, it's a verb. It means to learn. So ich lerne 8 Fächer. F-A-C-H-E-R. A with umlaut. It means subjects. Then comes Ich mag English und mein Lieblingsthema ist Grammatik. So what does it mean? It means Ich mag English. Now English is English. The pronunciation will be English. So mag is to like. So meaning I like English and my favorite subject is, you can say, or topic is grammar. Grammatic is grammar. Then the next sentence is, meine Klassenlehrerin is Frau Sharma. Meaning my class teacher is Frau Sharma. Frau is Mrs. So it is Mrs. Sharma. Now here, in this case, Klassenlehrerin. Lehrerin is like lady class teacher, lady teacher or lady class teacher, it means. So actually these professions, it changes according to the gender, their names changes. So there is a separate video on my channel called different professions. In that I have explained how these professions, they change according to the gender. So you can go through it. Then comes the next sentence, Ich habe Deutsch am Montag 10:30. So this means I have, Ich habe meaning I have. Habe is a verb, it means have. So I have Deutsch meaning German am Montag. It is like on Monday. Is at. 10:30 is 10:30. The next number you have to take. 10:30 meaning 10:30. Elf is 11. So I have explained in a video called How to Read a Clock on my channel. So you can go through it. You will be able to know how to tell the time and how to read a clock. So this means I have German on Monday at 10:30. Then the next sentence is Ich finde Mathe sehr schwierig. Meaning I find maths very difficult. Schwierig meaning difficult. Ich finde meaning I find. Again, The same verb is here. Mathe. Mathe is maths. Sehr schwierig, meaning very difficult. Sehr is very. Schwierig is difficult. Then the eighth sentence will be, die Pause beginnt 12 Uhr und endet 12 Uhr 20 Minuten. This means the break begins. Pause is break or interval. So the break begins at 12 and ends at 12:20. 12 Uhr 20 Minuten, meaning 12 hours 20 minutes. Then the next one is in der Pause. Esse ich Paratha und trinke Wasser. This means in the break, in the pause meaning in the break, I eat paratha. Esse meaning to eat paratha and drink water. Trinka is to drink and Wasser is water. So whole sentence means in the break I eat paratha and drink water. So like this is an Indian version. And now if you think in their pause, here the pause is der. And the earlier sentence, it was D pause. So what is this difference? So this difference meaning in der Pause, in this case, it is genitive case. Genitive case, it says in German. And the first one or the earlier one was nominative case. That pause begin, it was nominative case. So that's why this is the difference. Then the last sentence is, ich fahre mit dem Schulbus zur Schule. This means I travel to school by school bus. Travel is like fahre is to travel, mit is with, and mit dem Schulbus. Schulbus is school bus. Schul is again Schule meaning school, but here they have joined these two words, Schulbus. Bus is Bus in German. Though the spelling is same, but the pronunciation will be Bus. So this means I travel to school by school bus. So these are the 10 sentences about my school. And you can replace it by university and you can make changes according to that. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, share and like. Thank you and bye-bye.